Hey guys, so I'm making this video not because I want to complain or whine about my problems, but I'm just here to tell you that I'm going through something. Over the years on this channel, I've had quite a few ups and downs, and there have been quite a few low moments as well. And I'm sure you guys who have been watching me for a while are no stranger to my struggles. But I think today, or the last few weeks or so, I feel like I'm heading towards rock bottom. And I've always been upfront and honest about my struggles, which is the only reason that I decided to make this video and share this with you. I'm not making this video because I'm looking for sympathy or for anything. It's just I just want to be upfront with you guys with what's going on with me. um, I think most of you have picked up on this anyway. You guys have mentioned it in your comments, and some of you have even called me out for making clickbait posts and uh, I don't know, some other stuff as well. And I just want to say I'm sorry. A lot of what I post sometimes is just born out of desperation and maybe frustration, and because I genuinely don't know what to do sometimes, and I'm willing to try almost anything just to get stuff to reach you guys. So I apologize. I will do better. Honestly, like I said, I don't know what to do about my situation, and I'm not going to give you some long explanation of what is wrong and all that. It's not important. What I do want to let you know is that I think I definitely need to disconnect for a bit. I've taken breaks in the past, and I've posted about it that, oh, I'm taking a week off from making videos. But the truth is, I've never truly taken a break ever since this channel took off. Even on my honeymoon, I was posting 2 videos a week. So I think maybe I need to take a legit break, maybe even get professional help if needed. I don't know, because I genuinely don't know, and I think I've said that about like 100 times in this video already. But I will take a break. I will get help if I need. I'll talk to some people that could possibly help me figure out what I'm doing wrong or what's going on, because I genuinely don't know. And I just want to say thank you guys for all your support. I have nothing to ask of you. I will see you guys soon, whenever I see you, I guess. And in case I don't see you, happy holidays and a happy new year. And I'm sure we'll meet again in the future, sooner rather than later. But for now, I think I just need to figure things out and come back refreshed, and perhaps with some more clarity, and maybe more inspired to do stuff, because I don't know who's even watching the channel anymore. Like, I don't know if people are on keto anymore. I don't know if people are on low carb. I don't know if people are just watching because they like my recipes. I genuinely don't know. So I think it'll do me some good to kind of figure out things. And yeah, I think that's been enough jibber jabber from me. And I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. And cheers, and keep cooking. And yeah, see you soon.